and gentlemen, and developers, allow me to introduce myself. I am Albert Ironstain, the genius inventor. Welcome to this special broadcast from the heart of my inventor's cave. Today, I am very excited to be able to bring to you an introduction of a new storage technology. Drum roll, please. And here it is.
Hello, Clive. No, that's me. Hello, Albert.
Hello, Clive. What are you doing there?
Well, I was just looking for my car keys, actually. Here, what are you building?
I am building the future. I am building a storage solution that the rest of the world will base its livelihoods on. And I was just holding a live webcast to announce it to the world.
All right. Oh, hello, everyone. Yeah, I can see you down there. Yeah, I can see you very clearly. Yeah, technology always has a disadvantage, doesn't it? So, this solution, what's it called?
Now, I'm going to patent it as Albert Einstein's bidirectional object keeping system.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I love the acronym. BOKS, yeah.
Yes, it allows people to store data. They can put anything they want in my bidirectional object keeping system, and it will always be there when they want to take it out.
Wow. Wow. What does it look like?
Now, I was just about to reveal it to the world.
All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, and creative software developers, I will now unveil the future. You can take the cover off, Clive.
Oh, right, yeah. Wow. It looks impressive. Yeah. How does it work?
Well, you simply put your wealth of information into the bidirectional object keeping system, and when you want to take it out, voila! Let me show you. Some information into the bidirectional object keeping system. Yes, any data you put in can always be retrieved in the same form as when you got it out. Yes.
Well, that's stunning, that is. Well, I'm stunned anyway, to think that a mind like yours has come up with this.
Oh, why thank you, Clive. I've even been able to store some non-conventional bits of data in there too, like dairy products. But the storage isn't quite as persistent. We've seen quite a bit of bit decay.
Albert, this is all very well, but how does it help me find my car keys? I mean, I can see that it might be useful, but well, in my daily life, how do I make it work for me?
Well, actually, the marketing department are working on that at the moment, but I am sure they will come up with some marketing collateral which adequately explains the thingy. You know, the question everyone will want to know. The question...
Why?
Yes, that's the one.
Well, I've got another idea. Why don't you separate the bits of knowledge? Instead of sticking it in there as a huge lump, why don't you put the individual bits of information in the box? Then only pull out the bits of information that you want. In fact, you could tie two bits of information together with a piece of string. Then, when you find out about one thing, you would find out about some other related thing too. Yeah, I reckon you could pretty much tie the whole world's knowledge together. I'm going to call the idea the string theory.
Yes, that's it. I don't get it.
Well, look, You cannot easily find your stuff if it is just lumped together. I mean, I forget things all the time, but if I tie things together, I could remember where they are. I can even label the bits of string so that I know why they are connected. It might be a bit awkward getting around the house with all that string everywhere, but I won't lose my car keys if they're tied to something related to car keys. Like my car.
Clive, I never knew you were a genius.
Oh, don't shout about it, me.
But Clive, tying things together.
I reckon it'll work for me. Right, I'm off to put science into action and make a cup of tea. I'm going to use Boyle's Law. Goodbye, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and developers.
Well, I say, he might be onto something. Ladies and gentlemen, and other life forms, I now conclude this brief glimpse of the future. See some of you there.